Security and compliance are paramount in today's digital age. Business Central provides a robust security feature, safeguarding your data and ensuring compliance with industry standards. In this particular profile that we're looking on, this is for administrators. So everything you see here is regarding security groups, users, and maybe even reviewing the different users and making sure that they're set up correctly. Business Central provides a way for you to be able to review your different users, what they're logged into, what they're able to log into, and being able to track whether or not they belong to subscription plans. In addition to that, if we go ahead and open up the users tab or the users list, here are all of the users for this particular environment that have been enabled. All users are brought in from Office 365. Ensuring seamless integrations with Microsoft Office 365. So all users will be using their same login from Office to Business Central. So once you assign a user a license, when you click this Update Users from the users list, it will go out to Office 365, see if those users have any licenses and pull them into Business Central. If I click on a user here, we'll be able to see what permission sets those users are assigned to. In addition to that, what user groups and memberships they're also assigned to. You can see the user's licenses, and here you can go ahead and see the email that is attached to that particular user. This is very useful for when you're using the email functionality from within Business Central. But Business Central doesn't stop there. You can enjoy the convenience of automatic upgrades, keeping your system up to date with the latest enhancements. Twice a year, Microsoft upgrades major version updates, and throughout the year, minor version updates. You always have the capabilities of coming to the Help button here, clicking your Help and Support, and going to the Coming Soon. This will open up the Microsoft webpage where you're able to review the upcoming features that will be released to Business Central. Your all-encompassing solution for modern business management.